Hi, it's Ariella, and this is Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 130. It is also the day that Ariella's computer decided to break. So there's no 3 wins today because I can't use Universal Clipboard. And in writing, this is only on Substack. But that's okay, because there were plenty of wins today and everyone saw them. So here are some of our fighters. We are still in Jill Takuta's week of repping the rep, and she's part of the select committee on the double CP. And they commemorated the anniversary of that thing that happened in the square. Reminder, I make these videos on TikTok. Her speech is all about democracy and how they were fighting for it there, and it's more timely than ever. Mark Takano has today's Democratic Daily Download. He's the chair of the Equality Caucus. He also led his colleagues in introducing the Equality Act earlier this year. And this is just another reminder that the Democrats are not abandoning the queer community. Bill Foster posted a video. Nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office ran the numbers on the big bad billionaire bill. Spoiler alert, we're right about everything. If you remember, the National Weather Service said that their hiring freeze has been lifted, and one of the facilities it's been lifted from is in Sacramento. In this video, Josh Harder is saying that he made a whole lot of noise and pissed a whole lot of people off, and they reversed their decision. They want to do things in darkness. If we don't let them, they're gonna reverse it a lot of the time. Angie Craig, Joe Neguse, Chris DeLuzio, Seth Magaziner, Amelia Sykes, Hillary Skolton, and Pat Ryan reintroduced 6 bills that would help clean up corruption in Congress and in the White House. This video is about one of those bills. It's called the Restoring Integrity in Democracy Resolution, and it would ban members of Congress from serving on any for-profit corporate board. Like Josh Harder, Tim Kaine made a whole lot of noise and the administration backed down. Except in Tim Kaine's case, it's just pathetic. Again, they likely used AI to make a list, this time of sanctuary cities. First off, there are none in Virginia. Second off, half of the cities they named don't exist. Tim Kaine made a whole lot of noise and the list was taken down. Finally, Johnny O is raising the alarm about Palantir, service DT is using to steal our data. Democrats don't have agenda-setting power, but they can make a whole lot of noise. If it's investigated, it is unfortunately left up to the Republicans, but he is calling for one. And I'm sure we will be seeing many people's hearings on this subject. If you made it to the end of this post, comment with fire. Because thanks to Josh Harder, California might be less unprepared for fire season. If you watched or read any of these stories, comment with a robot. Because that's clearly who's running our government. Or at least the one making lists. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.